news of the painful and sudden demise of a renowned human rights activist and social critic, Yinka Odumakin, hit me like a thunderstorm. The cold hands of death is a wicked intruder which snatches loved ones at the prime of their lives. Yinka Odumakin, the Trojan who was the mouthpiece of Afenifere, succumbed to the rudeness of death. However, in all things we must give thanks to God. Yinka Odumakin will not die unsung because his impact in politics and the socio-cultural terrain is felt across Nigeria, and I am consoled that his bold steps in the sands of life will not be forgotten in a hurry. His successes in the course of his short but impactful journey are evidence of how hard he fought for the common man. Our hearts are broken and full of grief as we mourn his sudden departure. Yinka Odumakin was the unquenchable and undiminished voice in Afenifere. He withstood the storms from the draconian and oppressive military regimes and in contemporary times civilian governments, and stood on the side of the people and helpless masses of Nigeria. He was a courageous and dedicated advocate of the masses. Yinka Odumakin indeed represented hope for the hopeless masses, which even death is not able to extinguish. As it is often said, the ground eats voraciously on flesh. Yinka Odumakin is gone, only to be seen in dreams and remembered for his patriotism. Adieu, great patriot, brother, and friend. Good night, Yinka Odumakin.